at everybody. Yeah.
What?
All the women. Yeah. All the men. Yeah. Don't laugh. Sometimes that works. Never perform in Berlin again. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Thank you very much, thank you. To be honest, I'm as surprised as you guys are. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. The moment you're waiting for, the finale. If you're ready for the finale, can you all say yeah? Yeah. Come on, people, if you want to see the sword, say yeah. Alright. If you want to see Rayon swallow the sword, say yeah! Rayon, go for it! Everybody, Rayon, 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 Rayon. Come on, Rayon. For the people. For the children. For Lebanon. Okay, Rayon, you're embarrassing me. I'm going to show you how to do this. You give me the sword, give it, you open your mouth, I'll put it inside you. Rayon, Rayon. Come on, nom nom nom. Just the tip. Just the tip. So, have you heard that before, just the tip? No, welcome to Amsterdam. Rayon, I'm not going to make you swallow with the sword, by the way. I just want to point out, your husband was not trying to stop me either. He's filming, he's into it over there. Rayon, I'm not going to make you swallow with the sword, but I love your energy, by the way. Listen, I need to explain to the audience for just 1 more minute what is happening in the show, then I explain to you, you have the most important job. Can you bear with me for a minute? You bear with me, Rayon. Bear with me. Like a bear. Sorry, is it unbearable? It's very embarrassing. You guys are weird. Let's get on with the show. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, sorry, Rayon. Can you take a little step back because it's my show? Ladies and gentlemen, I did get you all to see that my sword was real just a little bit earlier. In case anybody just arrived right now in the back. There it is. In a moment, that's important. In a moment, I'll perform a stunt that's taken about 3 years to learn. Now, very quickly, you might know that the art of sword swallowing is about 3,000 years old. And this is true. I am one of under 1,000 sword swallowers alive in the world today. Thank you, the dying art. Basically, in a moment, I'll try to push this sword down my body. It is going to go in between my heart and my lungs, past my first esophageal sphincter into my stomach. I will try to turn off my gag reflex for 10 seconds. Every man will be jealous their girlfriend is not me. Or boyfriend, sorry. I will bend at the waist, look around at everybody, and just to make things a little bit more interesting, I will try to juggle the 3 dangerous objects with the sword at the same time. Oh yes, a man doing 2 things at the same time? Bullshit. If I get it, I'll then turn towards Rayon. Take a little step over here for me. Today, Rayon, you're the most important job in the show. You are going to pull the sword out of my body. Yeah, for real. It's your first time? Yeah, me too. Rayon, can I ask, as an example right now so that people can see, can you hold onto the sword handle like this, just like at home? Perfect. You can use 2 hands if you want. Rayon. Okay, we're gonna get serious. Okay, basically what's gonna happen, you hold the sword nice and firm. For this trick, all I'm going to do, for my safety, I'm going to pull myself away from the sword like this. You don't move at all. No matter how nervous you are feeling, no matter how sadistic you are, no matter how funny it is for the audience, Rayon, I just want to be clear, when you're holding the sword, it's not funny for me. If you do this, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. I'm a real person, I'm not a kebab. If you kill me, witnesses. You never come to Holland again. It's gonna be on TikTok, yes? Hold the sword, I pull myself. We finish the show, we all clap for Rayon as we crown her the new King Arthur. Yes, but because she's pulling the sword from the stoner. Sword from the stoner. Did you get it, kid? Sword from the stoner? You understand? Rayon, you understand what you have to do? Yeah, you understand? Perfect. I'll be with you in one moment. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's finish the show. Before I finish, I would like to just quickly introduce myself. My name is Tommy. It's nice to meet you. I come all the way from Melbourne, Australia. I hope I did enough to entertain you a little bit today. After my show is finished, look, I think you kind of understand what I'm going to say next, so I'm going to try to say this part quickly. Ladies and gentlemen, I am a street entertainer. This is what I do. I go around the world trying to make people laugh, like yourselves, and maybe I show them something they haven't seen. Now, as I'm sure you know, how I do my job means the only way that I make my living, like money, is from my audience. So after my show, I'm going to stand right here. I will say thank you. I will take a bow, like this. I will hold out a little bag for some money. Now, I don't like to tell people how much to give, but I think if you enjoyed my show as much as you would enjoy, for example, going out to a bar tonight in Amsterdam and buying yourself maybe a drink, you would easily spend 10 or 20 euros at the bar. You don't even think about it. Now for 40 minutes, I think my show was as fun as a drink. It's not too much for me to ask. Yeah, you look pissed off right now. No one's laughing anymore when I say this. Listen, hang on, wait, listen, hang on. I know what you're all thinking. I'm not an idiot. I've been doing this a long time. I know, you're all thinking the same thing. You're thinking, what? 20 euros for this? No way. We should give him more. That's what you're thinking, right? Now look, I understand not everybody has money to give, and that's okay. The most important thing, my show is for everyone to enjoy. Thank you, Rayon. Rayon, right? Rayon, sorry, Rayon. After the show, if you honestly have no money to give, please do the right thing for me. Don't just run away when you think I'm not looking. If you like the show, come shake my hand. Say thank you, I will say thank you back. It costs nothing, but it shows respect. Yeah? Can I have some clapping, maybe? Clapping? Cool. But if you have money, I want some. Don't all shake my hand. It happens sometimes. Alright, let's finish the show. I'm sorry to talk about the money so much. You know, I don't like to do it. But you have to understand, after doing this for almost 10 years on the street, I know if I don't ask, people don't pay me. If people don't pay me, I have to go home and eat noodles. It's my dog, Noodles. My dog's name is Noodles. That's why that's funny. Let's finish the show. Audience, I'd like to ask for your help now. We're going to build up this last trick together by doing a slow hand clap. So everyone, please take your hands out from your pockets, unfold your arms. We'll do this all together. Everyone put your hands up in the air like this so I can see. Like this, like this, like this. Everybody watch me. Ready, and clap. 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 Very good. Clap. Keep it going. Clap, sir. Clap. Clap or I'll kill you. Everyone. Keep it going like this. Stop. There's a hair on it. Hang on. Was that your hair? No, it's not blonde. Do you want it back? Can I keep it? Thanks. I'll save it for later. That was a good gag, wasn't it? Can you guys come to all my shows, please? One more time! Everybody! Last time! Together!
All the best.
Are you okay? Are you sure? Everyone, clap for Rayan! She's alive! Wow. Good. I'm alive too. Yay. Okay. Rayan, thank you for helping me in my show. You were great. Piss off. Okay. And folks, before you go, I want to say one more thing. Guys, thank you so much for enjoying my